Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I'm going to double up on this video. The Penske SD35 and Conrail SD35 both have the 567D decoders in them. The Penske has the dual speakers and the Conrail just has a mini oval in it. So that little bit of rattle I think that you hear, the volume probably just needs to be turned down in the Penske because it's probably just overwhelming to the shell. A little bit of vibration there, but alright, and then just take the Penske off for the sake of there. You could hear the volume of that thing was just insanely loud. And the Conrail, you could see all the door handles have been painted, highlighted, grills, etc. And that's basically it. You get the idea. Alright, thanks for watching. That one's going to be up for sale on eBay. Alright, bye.